The 3DLR introduced by IHI contributes to the safe operation of level crossings. It uses a laser to detect and inform of the presence of obstacles stranded in a level crossing. The 3DLR system measures and detects in real time the presence of objects in the level crossing. The 3DLR starts object detection when a detection start signal is received from the level crossing system. If an object, such as a vehicle, enters the level crossing and gets trapped after object detection has started, the 3DLR quickly detects and notifies the level crossing system of the detected continued presence via an area-occupied signal. As a result of this communication, the train halts safely before the level crossing. If the vehicle removes itself from the level crossing, the 3DLR uses an area-free signal to notify the level crossing system that the obstacle has gone. When the level crossing system receives the area-free signal, it notifies the oncoming train that it can proceed. The 3DLR has three main distinctive features. The first is its high usability. The installation of the system is very straightforward due to its simple architecture, which consists of three main components: the laser head, the controller, and the evaluation plates. After installation, the only setup required is the detection zone configuration. This is done quickly and easily by using Setup Tool software pre-installed on a laptop PC. Due to the 3DLR's wide detection range, the detection zone can be set up to cover crossings with various shapes and sizes, such as 4 rail track wide or diagonal level crossings. In the case of larger level crossings, 2 3DLRs are used to cover the detection zone. There's no risk of laser interference between the 2 3DLRs. The 3DLR's second distinctive feature is its high functionality. The 3DLR monitors the detection zone as a 3-dimensional area, enabling it to detect overhanging objects, such as parts of a crane, that have unintentionally entered the level crossing. In order to avoid false positive detections, small objects, such as birds or leaves, are not detected as obstacles, thus contributing to high availability. Additionally, the 3DLR is able to stably detect obstacles at night, in heavy rain, or in bad weather such as snow or fog, due to its unique noise-eliminating algorithm. The 3DLR's third distinctive feature is its high environmental durability. The 3DLR is highly dust and waterproof, complying with Ingress Protection Rating 67. It also has a high level of electromagnetic compatibility due to the incorporation of noise countermeasures for use in various working environments. These countermeasures were developed through our extensive system supply experience. The IHI 3DLR's high usability, functionality, and environmental durability are responsible for its excellent reputation among customers. IHI obtained the type approval from the German Federal Railways Authority for its 3DLR in December 2022. To date, over 3,000 3DLR systems have been supplied globally. IHI's 3DLR, continually contributing to the safe operation of level crossings worldwide.